Good morning, everybody. How is everyone doing today? Hope y'all are doing great. That's like my intro line. A couple of my friends sent me a little video clip making fun of me in my intro. I'm gonna do it, everyone. I love it. That's my intro. How's everybody doing? Hope y'all are doing great. It's a beautiful day outside. Get out there, enjoy it, get that vitamin D. Your body needs it. We're all vitamin D deficient. That's why everybody keeps getting sick. Get out there and get some vitamin D. It's natural. So I want to give a tip today. This tip is how to get your business funded. Those of you that don't know, I do business lending. Yes. And I do startups. And I do established businesses. We do everything from lines of credits to term loans to SBA loans to equipment loans to commercial loans. We do it all. At Lendio Clarksville, we do it all. So I want to come out here and I want to give you guys a tip on how to get your business funded, right? And there are steps that a business should follow to prepare itself to be funded. So here's step one. Step one is determine, if you're a startup, right? If you're just starting out, make sure your business is established properly, okay? Make sure you have your tax ID number. Make sure you have your business bank account. Make sure you're running all your business transactions from your business bank account, okay? That means you're not running your business transactions from your personal account. You're running your business transactions from your business account. It also means you're not running your personal transactions from your business account. I said that in a previous video. Do not commingle. Have a business account established where you're running all of your transactions from your business account. Now, one thing I want to put out there is you got to show revenue. So there's all these videos out there saying, hey, establish a business, build business credit, and you can get all this money. No, establish a legitimate business, figure out how to sell your product or service, right? Start selling it, run it through your business bank account, okay? Do the proper steps in the beginning, the planning, the setup. Make sure you have the right team around you. Make sure you're insured. Make sure you have a bookkeeper or accountant that can help you. Make sure you have a lawyer that helps you with your contracts. Make sure you have the proper, did I say insurance already? Your insurance and your business bank. Make sure you have all that stuff in place. Make sure you've done the due diligence in the beginning to understand exactly what your business is going to need to be successful. Don't just establish an LLC thinking you can get all this money. Businesses don't lend like that. One thing you have to understand as well is that if you're a startup, your personal credit plays heavily on the decision-making process of a lender. So if you're just starting out and your personal credit is in the gutter, then your focus should be to make sure your personal credit gets to where it has to be before you start seeking funding. Because how are you going to look if you can't manage your personal credit? How is a business lender going to look at you as a startup and say, yeah, you can still get this money? It doesn't work that way. In the beginning of a business, you have to personally guarantee a loan. And if you don't know what personally guarantee is, that means you're putting your personal profile on the line for your business. So in essence, if you can't pay that loan that you get from your business, they're coming after you on the personal side. So make sure you're established properly before you go and try to get funding. But you want to make sure your business is established properly. Tax ID, right? Business bank account. Run your transactions from your business bank account. Make sure your personal credit is 680 or better should be a goal of yours. You want to keep it in the 680 or better range so that you find better options, okay? You can get options with lower credit, but then don't expect to get great rates because it's not going to happen. You're not going to get a great rate with a 500 credit score. So don't be surprised if you try to get a loan with a 500 credit score and your interest rate is 40, 50%. That's just the nature of the beast. That's the way it is. Your risk level is higher because your credit score is lower. So establish your personal credit, make sure it's right, make sure your business is established properly, have a business bank account and run your transactions through it, right? And then as you're building your business, plan ahead. So plan for financing when you don't need it. Like go for financing when you don't need it. Don't wait until you are in an emergency situation and you need money and then you have to try to get financing, because you're not going to get the best options at that point either. Okay? So those are small tips. I'm going to come back with some more, but I want to start you off with that. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is below. Again, I do business lending as that's my business. We do business lending here. So if you have questions around that or need something, feel free to reach out. My contact information is below again. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Go get some vitamin D.